On to other news now. The Jamaica Teachers Association, JTA, is again hitting back at the government over the decision to have CSEC and CAPE sittings in July. At the center of the controversy are health concerns in light of uncertainty over the spread of the coronavirus.
The nation's teachers and the Andrew Holness-led administration are now on a collision course as students gear up to sit the regional exams in July. Prior to the sitting, educators will be back in the classrooms in June to prepare the students. JTA President Owen Speed stopped just short of accusing the administration of being reckless. He says some teachers have children who are underage and will be without supervision. He contends that had a survey been done, it would have identified the concerns now being expressed.
The Jamaica Teachers Association has always said that it would be too soon for us to be holding the sitting of the CSEC and CAPE exams in July. We thought at the outset that the earliest possible time would have been September. And here we are having it. Over the past 3 days, we have had 24 COVID cases, new cases turning up. And the teachers are at their ends with at this time. They are scared because they believe that it is premature.
The firestorm was ignited last week when the government reversed its position on Jamaican students participating in the regional exams. CSEC and CAPE students will now sit exams starting July 27. Following the announcement of the date for the sitting of the examinations, although remaining reluctant, Mr. Speed said the JTA would have worked with the Ministry of Education. However, he says the concerns of the teachers are valid. A strong suggestion is being made for the government to reconsider its decision.
At this time, the Jamaica Teachers Association is standing by its teachers, and we are saying to the government that things must be put in place to ensure that our teachers are not returned to the classrooms under conditions that are, deemed not conducive. And indeed, we are saying to the government that maybe it is that they need to reconsider their position on whether or not a July date for the sitting of this exam is really appropriate.
Will the government go back to the drawing board? Time will tell. For now, the students are among those watching and waiting. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.